Hey guys, I'm Alex Lowe's. I'm here with my brother Sam to help me unbox the new Sport GT helmet from Shark, the Spartan GT Carbon, which includes all of Shark's latest innovations and expertise. Spartan GT Carbon is also available in fiberglass, like this one. The aerodynamics on this helmet are inspired by the Visor Pro GP, which me and my brother are using for racing. The visor has a Class 1 optical rating with no visual distortion, so giving you a very good clear vision. Also in the box, you will find a Pinlock 100% max vision, a nice little extra. As you can see, is the double D-ring strap, very easy to use. There's an internal sun visor, which is operated by a sliding button on the top. Very simple. Also, the new central locking system is at the front, so the visor locks all the way down. Obviously, you can have the visor all the way up. Also, if you lift the visor up just a little bit, just one step, it allows the air to pass through the bottom of the visor and pass through the helmet. There are 4 lateral fastening points on the visor, 2 either side. So the visor is clipped in, just turn the other way. The visor is clipped in, and then this extra button pushed in and clipped against it for a real secure fastening of the visor. There's an ultra soft notching system on the visor. When you're lifting the visor up and down, it's really, really silky smooth. Also on the side pod, you'll see the shark skin. This allows the air to pass both sides, passes clean, less wind noise, less movement. The helmet has adjustable ventilation. One vent at the front, just here. This sliding vent in the middle, which you can adjust to your optimum level, and also a little vent at the back. Also at the back, you can see the rear spoiler, which is obviously at higher speeds, it's allowing the air to pass through the helmet and less movement, less wind distraction on the helmet. Now for the interior, the special part of the helmet. Oh, it's nice and comfy. Nice and comfy, like my race helmet. Perfect. Very special fabrics used on the inside of this helmet with 3D morphological cheek pads, which really mould around the cheeks and around your head, giving it a really, really comfortable and secure feeling. There's a double breath guard, one for the summer and an extra for the winter. 2 clips, one either side, and it just clips on like this. For the summer, when you don't need it, 2 clips and you can pull it out. Also, this helmet is equipped with the Shark emergency release system. It's just here, and in the need of an emergency, you can pull the front pads out. But let's have a more detailed look at the technical specifications.